In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find sessions on Google Analytics, a critical metric for understanding your website's audience and their interactions. Whether you're new to Google Analytics or just need a refresher, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to go to the Analytics Tools and Solutions section on Google Analytics. Open your preferred web browser and type in Google Analytics, or use the direct URL often provided by Google. This page is the gateway to all the powerful insights and tools that Google Analytics has to offer for your business. Save this link in your bookmarks for easy access in the future. Next, you need to sign into Google Analytics. Look for the Sign into Analytics button, typically at the top right corner of the page. Click it and you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. It's important to use the account tied to your analytics properties, otherwise you might not see the data you're expecting. If you have multiple Google accounts, double check that you're logged into the right one. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Google Analytics home. This is your dashboard, a snapshot of the most critical metrics, including users, sessions, and engagement. From here, navigate to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a menu. This menu is your control panel, giving you access to all reports and analytics features. Now find the Reports section. You'll delve deeper from the standard dashboard view to specific reports that allow you to examine individual metrics more closely. Expand the Reports drop-down menu, a hub that categorizes all main analytics aspects. You will then click on Acquisition, which helps you understand how visitors reach your site, such as through search engines, social media, or direct visits. Within Acquisition, click on User Acquisition. This section shows you data on how users are initially acquired. You'll get insights into which sources are most effectively attracting new users to your site. After reviewing user acquisition, it's time to focus on traffic acquisition. This area breaks down how different traffic sources contribute to your site's sessions. In the traffic acquisition report, you'll see detailed insights such as the number of sessions each traffic source is generating. This is where you'll find the sessions metric you're looking for. A session in Google Analytics is a group of interactions that take place on your website within a given time frame. Sessions can include multiple page views, events, social interactions, and e-commerce transactions. Understanding this data helps you assess which marketing channels are driving the most engaged traffic and where your strategic focus should be applied. By following these steps, you now have a complete understanding of how to navigate through Google Analytics to find sessions, empowering you to make data-driven decisions that enhance your website's performance. Keep exploring these reports to uncover deeper insights and optimize your strategies. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.